Hello students, I am just joining you today to go over the homework for the stats class. Let's see here. I'm just going to start right from the beginning by going to the Canvas site and showing you how to access the assignment. Okay, so here we are at Canvas, PP560, in the modules, and then this first thing, playing with SPSS. Now, if you click on that, you're going to download the PDF, which has the assignment in it. And basically it just tells you which databases you need, which files you need, and how to do it. And the first thing we're going to do is open Oxaby MAO, which in this case stands for Minimal Acceptable Offer. So everyone should have this on their hard drive. When you go to your documents, everyone should have some of this as field data sets, and you all need to have all of these SPSS files on your hard drive because you'll be using several of these, and then the final is based on them. But okay, we start with Oxaby MAO, double click it, and that opens SPSS. When I open it, I'm getting this warning. Okay. Huh. All right. Got a little scare there. Here's the file, okay? This is a variable view, and then here's the data view. All right. Now, what do they want us to do? They want us to go to Chart Builder, select histogram, and then bring up the particular kind of histogram called a population pyramid. Okay? Chart Builder, histogram, and then population pyramid. So here we go. We go to Graphs, Chart Builder. Click on Chart Builder, and then go down here to histogram. Then there are 4 different kinds of histograms, and they want the population pyramid. Now watch what happens. If I just leave my mouse over it, it'll tell us that this is the population pyramid, as opposed to this, which is a frequency polygon, stacked histogram, and simple histogram. Okay, so they want us to use a population pyramid, so we put that there, and now we have to know what is going to be our distribution variable and what is going to be our split variable. Well, let's take a look. So it says, then from the variable list, select the variable representing the minimum acceptable offer and drag it into distribution variable, and then select the variable representing background music and drag it to split variable. Okay, so now we go back here. All right. So distribution variable gets dragged right there. and background music variable gets dragged to the split. And then you just click on OK. And this is what you create. And it's that easy. Okay, now, that's not the whole thing though. So after we do that, by the way, his is different colors than ours. I actually like his color scheme better, but so be it. Okay, then it says, all right, now we want to produce a population pyramid for number of offers made. To do this, first open this other file, then access the chart builder just like we did before, and set it up so that offers made is distribution and background music is split variable. Okay, so we go to our data set and we look for offers.save, double click it, and that brings up offers.save. And then we follow the same steps. Graphs, chart builder, histogram, population pyramid, offer made as the distribution variable, and background music as the split variable. Say OK, and there's our output for that. Now this is the all you have to do really for this homework assignment. And I'd like you to take a little bit of time and just sort of think about what these graphs are telling you. But this is how you make the graphs. And that's it. And then I guess I'd just like you to screenshot it so that I know that you actually did it. All right, as long as we're on a roll here, let's do the other assignment, which is number 2 here. Okay, click on it, open it. And this says, okay, as students you probably have to rate your lecturers at the end of the course. There would be some you like and others you hate. As a lecturer, I find this process horribly depressing. And he says, and I do the same thing, he focuses on the negative, sadly, and ignores the good stuff. But anyway, so it's a study, and they get some data, Chamorro per music. And the suggestion is run the Pearson correlations on these variables to see if students with certain personality characteristics want to see those characteristics in their lecturers. Okay, so he shows you how to do it, but I'm going to show you too. So basically, you run the analysis by loading pretty much everything except for age and gender. Clicking on Pearson, and then just saying OK. And then what you're going to get is this correlation matrix. And he points out, even though it looks horrendous, basically these numbers are the same as these numbers, and so on. So you really only have to focus on this, where student neuroticism and student wants neuroticism. So here you can see there is no correlation really, and nothing is significant. But let's see. Oh, here's a significant one. See how the significance level is less than 0.05 at 0.01, and the R value is 0.153. And what is that? That is students who are extroverted want extroversion in lecturers. Significant correlation there. And here's another one. Anyway, I'll let you guys discover the ones that are significant and just mull over what that means. Okay, so how do we do this? The first thing is you need to open the correct data set, which is Chamorro premusic.save. So go to your files, double click on Chamorro premusic, and here it is. And then go to Analyze, Correlate by Variate. Just hover there for a second so you see where you're going. Okay, click on it. Then we don't want age and sex. Those stay out of the analysis. But if I hold down the Shift button and the down key at the same time, I can highlight all those at once and move them all over. Now, these are all scale, so I use Pearson. If some of them were scale and some were ordinal, or if they were all ordinal, then I'd use Spearman. And then I hit OK. And there it is. So for your homework, I just want a screenshot of this. And that's it. So enjoy that. Relax. Try it out. And hopefully you'll find that as you do more of these, it gets easier and easier. Okay, bye-bye.